Alright, we got a little walk around demonstration on this 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. We'll find any items and point them out to you as we go around. Lights are a little bit worn here. This has the AMS conversion on it, and I'll show you how that works in a minute. Good tires. Beautiful white paint on here, and the previous owner added a backup camera that wasn't an option for 2008, so they added an aftermarket screen and everything, and we'll show you that and with the backup camera. Okay, so how this works is with the vehicle unlocked, we're going to open that rear passenger side door by double clicking on the Dodge remote, and then that's going to open up the door. Since this is an AMS, it's not an integrated system, so then we need to press and hold on the unlock button here on the auxiliary fob, and that's going to have the ramp come down. So this is an aluminum bifold ramp, and then the center section of the vehicle has been lowered, as well as underneath the passenger seat. The driver's seat and that still over on the other side there is still where it was normally on the Dodge. That's because this has some cost-saving measures to make this a little bit less expensive of a conversion. But you still do have the wheelchair tie-down strips here. This vehicle comes with a set of manual tie-downs. And then, like I said, that front seat does come out, which we have pictures of on the website. And then you have your Boss aftermarket screen here with a backup camera, and then you have your climate control there. So overall, good shape for its age and miles. And then the way we close all this up is we hit the lock button on the auxiliary fob. You can also hit the switch in here to make the ramp go up or down. Once it's all the way in, then we again close the door. You can either pull on the handle there, or you can just double click this key fob here, and that'll shut it up. Go check around the back side here too, and I'll show you the trunk. So you've got a spare tire here, and then the wheelchair restraints there, with the tire change kits there. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if this van would work for you.